Well, thank you for joining us today. We would love to discuss with you about the amazing business opportunity with doTERRA.
ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ସୁନ୍ଦର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଯାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା କି ଲୋକମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ପଦକ୍ଷେପ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଏକ ସୁନ୍ଦର ରୋଜଗାର କରିବାର ମାଧ୍ୟମ ଯାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା କି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପରିବାର ଏବଂ ସମାଜରେ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ ସୁନ୍ଦର ସ୍ଥାନ ଅଧିଗ୍ରହଣ କରିପାରିବେ।
Again, my name is Becky Raney, and I'm a doTERRA wellness advocate from the United States. And I'm sharing this opportunity with my beautiful friends of India. And I'd like to introduce Sangram here. He's going to help translate. And he's an amazing leader that we're delighted to have with us.
Yeah, ma'am. I am Sangram Kesi. ମୁଁ ସଂଗ୍ରାମ କେଶୀ ବଳିଆର ସିଂ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରୁ ଦୋଟେରା ସହିତ ଯୋଡ଼ି ହେଇଛି। ମୁଁ ଏକ ଆନ୍ତର୍ଜାତିକ ସ୍ତରରେ କିଛି କରି ଦେଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ ସୁଯୋଗ ମୋତେ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିଥିବାରୁ ମୁଁ ବେକି ମ୍ୟାଡାମଙ୍କ ଠାରେ ଚିର କୃତଜ୍ଞ ରହିବି। ଏକ ସୁନ୍ଦର ସୁଯୋଗ ସୁବର୍ଣ୍ଣ ସୁଯୋଗ କହିଲେ ଭୁଲ ହବ ନାହିଁ। ଏହା ଦ୍ୱାରା ମୁଁ ଆଉ ମୋ ସମାଜରେ ଏକ ସୁଧାର ଆଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରି ସମସ୍ତେ ସୁସ୍ଥ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ, ନିରୋଗୀ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ, ସମସ୍ତେ ଖୁସିରେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ।
So do you need a financial pipeline? We are looking for people who want to make a difference in their finances. And this is a wonderful story sharing with you about how to build a residual income. Go ahead.
Yeah, ma'am. जो people ମାନେ actually ଅର୍ଥନୀତି ଆମର ଆର୍ଥିକ ସ୍ଥିତିରେ ଦୁର୍ବଳ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଦୋଟେରା ଏକ ସୁନ୍ଦର ରୋଜଗାର ମାଧ୍ୟମ ହେଇପାରିବ ଯାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା ସେମାନେ ନିଜର ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ପୂରଣ କରିବା ପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ କିଛି ସାମାଜିକ ସ୍ତରରେ କିଛି କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆଗ୍ରହ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିବେ। Okay, madam.
So there's a story that this villager would walk from the village to a stream miles, kilometers away, where he would fill up his buckets and carry the water back to the village and sell the water. Go back to the stream, fill up the buckets, go back to the village, sell the water. Many trips throughout the day. The more trips he did, the more money he made.
Yeah.
Eventually, he realized that if he fell and broke his leg or couldn't do as many trips in a day, he made less money or he was not able to make money. So he decided to build a pipeline. Every time he went to the stream, he dug a ditch and laid a pipe, dug a ditch and laid a pipe. Eventually, he was able to have laid the pipe all the way to the village where he can turn on the water and have it going all the time. This is called residual income. And this is what we're doing with doTERRA. Go ahead.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ସୁନ୍ଦର କାହାଣୀ ଆ ଭିତରେ ଅଛି। ଗୋଟିଏ ଫାର୍ମର ପ୍ରତିଦିନ କିଛି ବାଲ୍ଟିରେ ପାଣି ନଈରୁ ନେଇ ନିଜ ଗାଁକୁ ପହଞ୍ଚି ତାକୁ ବିକି କିଛି ପଇସା ସଂଗ୍ରହ କରୁଥିଲା। ଯେତେ ଅଧିକ ସେ ପାଣି ଭାର ନେଇକି ଆସୁଥିଲା ଗାଁକୁ ସେତେ ଅଧିକ ଇନକମ୍ କରୁଥିଲା। ଯୋଉଦିନ ତାର ଦେହ ଖରାପ କି ଗୋଡର କୌଣସି ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଲା ସେ କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ପରିଶ୍ରମର ମୂଲ୍ୟ ପାଇପାରୁନଥିଲା କି କିଛି ପାଣି ଯେହେତୁ ବକେଟ ଆଣିପାରୁନଥିଲା କୌଣସି ରୋଜଗାର କରିପାରୁନଥିଲା। ତେଣୁ ସେ କଣ କଲା ଗୋଟେ ପାଇପ ଲାଇନ ପକେଇଲା ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା କି ସେପଟୁ ପାଣି ଅନ୍ କଲେ ପାଣି ନଈରୁ ଯାଇ ପାଣି ତାଙ୍କ ଗାଁ ଭିତରୁ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲା ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା କି ସେ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ମାନେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ କିଛି କିଛି ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଇନକମ୍ କରିପାରିଲା। ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା କି ସେ ତାକୁ ଅଧିକ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିଲା ନାହିଁ। ଗୋଟିଏ ଚେନ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଲା। ପ୍ରତିଦିନ କିଛି ଇନକମ୍ କରିବାର ଗୋଟେ ଚେନ୍ ମାନେ ସାଇକେଲ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଲା। ଓକେ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ।
So why would you want to partner with doTERRA? doTERRA, as we said in the past, that it's very, very the #1 essential oil company in the world. Very trusted, most tested. We have over 10 million customers. And we have an authentic approach to selling our business. We have the powerful products. The products sell regardless, and we share wellness lifestyle. Compared to other direct marketing companies, they lead with the business, and the product sales depend on the opportunity, and then they sell the opportunity. So we're actually backwards, right? And we have 65% record-breaking retention. Go ahead.
एक्चुअली डोटेरा कंपनी ପାଇଁ ଆମେ କାହିଁ ତା ସହିତ ଯୋଡି ହବା ମେନ୍ ହଉଛି ଡୋଟେରା कंपनी ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱାଲିଟିରେ କେବେ କମ୍ପ୍ରମାଇଜ କରେନି ଏବଂ 100% ଶୁଦ୍ଧ ଜିନିଷ ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚାଏ। एक्चुअली 10 ଲକ୍ଷ ଲୋକ एक्चुअली ଡୋଟେରା ସହିତ ଯୋଡି ହେଇ ସାରିଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ତାର ଉପକାରିତା ବିଷୟରେ ସେମାନେ ଲାଭ ଉଠେଇ ସାରିଛନ୍ତି। ଏହା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପରିବାର ଆର୍ଥିକ ସ୍ଥିତି ଗରିବ ଚାଷୀ ମାନଙ୍କଠୁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ପହଞ୍ଚି ପାରିବ ଏବଂ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଗୋଟେ ଆମ ଦେଶର ସର୍ବସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ବିକାଶ ହେଇପାରିବ। ତା ସହିତ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକମାନେ ଏଇ ବିଜନେସ ରେ ଯୋଡି ହେବେ ସେମାନେ ବି କିଛି ଉତ୍ତମ ଆୟର ସୁଯୋଗ ପାଇପାରିବେ। Yes, madam.
doTERRA is proven. In the first 7 years, they became a billion-dollar company, which is equal to Apple computers. We are now a $3 billion company. So we have over 120 markets worldwide. We're debt-free, and we are part of a $3 billion industry worldwide for healthcare. And so with our executive owners of doTERRA, there are 7 of them, and they have well over 200 years of industry experience.
ଡୋଟେରା କମ୍ପାନୀରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଟୋଟାଲ ମନି ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ $3 trillion actually 6 ରୁ there are 10 numbers of executives are there ମାନେ 10 ଜଣ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଆମର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଡୋଟେରାରେ ଯେଉଁମାନେ କି 120 ଟୋଟାଲ 120 ମାର୍କେଟ ୱାର୍ଲଡ ୱାଇଡ ରେ ସେଇ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ବର୍ଜନ ଡାଉଟ୍ ଫ୍ରି ଲୋକମାନେ ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା କି ଆମର ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର ଫାର୍ମର ମାନେ ବହୁତ ଲାଭବାନ ହଉଛନ୍ତି। ତା ସହିତ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକମାନେ ଏଥିରେ ମିଶିକି ଡୋଟେରା କମ୍ପାନୀକୁ ବଢେଇବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ବି ନିଜର ୱେଲ୍ଥ ଷ୍ଟାଟସକୁ ବଢେଇ ପାରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଓକେ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ।
And we talked before about the co-impact sourcing and the source to you initiatives. You can go to source2you.com website and find out all about the Healing Hands program and the initiatives that we're supporting worldwide. doTERRA's pipeline touches many lives. And as you grow your pipeline, other lives are lifted. Are you looking at making a difference and making an impact? And where is your purpose in life? What is your contribution? This is a wonderful way to make a huge difference. Go ahead.
ଡୋଟେରା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଆମର ବିଜନେସ ଅପରଚୁନିଟି ମିଳିବ ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା କି ଆମେ ଆମର ଲାଇଫ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବା ସହିତ ଆମ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ମାନଙ୍କ ଲାଇଫ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିପାରିବା ଏବଂ ଏ ଗୋଟେ ସମାଜରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସୁସ୍ଥ ନିରୋଗୀ ଆମେ ରଖିପାରିବା ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା କି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ବାତାବରଣରେ ଆମେ ବଞ୍ଚିପାରିବା ପୃଥିବୀକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଭ୍ କରିପାରିବା।
So I really wanted to talk to you about the direct selling industry in India. It is a $5.31 billion industry, and I wanted to share the slide with you because doTERRA is just breaking this market, and we know that we will be the top company in the matter of just a few years. So now is the time to join this our organization, make your own company, your own business.
Okay, ma'am.
And then aromatherapy and this essential oil market globally, doTERRA plans to be tripling the impact. So with the India market, we are actually going to make a huge impact. We are really excited to be known as the largest company in the world.
एक्चुअली ଆମର କିଛି ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଡୋଟେରା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରତିଦ୍ୱନ୍ଦ୍ୱୀ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ପଛରେ ପକାଇ ନମ୍ବର ସେଲିଂ ବିଜନେସ around 60,000 global USD dollar 2.1 billion USD dollar କ୍ରସ୍ କରି ଚାଲିଛି ଜାନୁଆରୀ 2022 ରେ ବାଇ ଦ ଏଇପରି ଯଦି ଆମେ ଗ୍ରୋଥ କରିପାରିବା ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟେଡ 2025 ବେଳକୁ ଆମର ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ 64,500 means 8.5 billion US dollar କରୋଡ଼କୁ ଛୁଇଁ ପାରିବ ସେଲିଂ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ଡୋଟେରାର। ଓକେ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ।
So your opportunities could look like this. These are the different levels and ranks that we talk about where you would be earning income. Our relationship to PV, so 3,000 PV volume, you would earn around 26,000 Indian rupees a month. To get to Premier is building your business, then you can earn about this much money a month. And as you start building your business more and more and getting higher up into the ranks, you can see that you can actually be earning quite a bit amount of money as things happen. Now, I see this happening. And with India, I have actually several gold leaders already now. And so it is possible. And to see it happening as a residual income and actually take over at this level as a full-time business.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, there are seven बहुत प्रकार अच्छी यदि आम 3K वॉल्यूम पीवी जॉइन करि परिबा तले आम पर मंथ 26,107 टका आम इनकम करि परिबा यदि से वॉल्यूम टा 5K हला अपन 67,163 रुपीस कमे परिबा एई परि आम यदि हम गोल्ड प्लैटिनम डायमंड ब्लू डायमंड प्रेसिडेंशियल डायमंड यूज करे आम 50,000 लाख पर्यंत टका इनकम करि परिबा ओके मैडम
So how do you get paid with doTERRA? There are 5 ways. First, you can earn profits through selling retail. Second,
yeah
you got the sharing bonus.
yeah
Power of 3.
then power of 3 and unilevel then is leadership bonus first जदि आमे परचेस करिवा ताले 25% प्रॉफिट आमे इनकम करिवा सेकंड जदि आमे याकू शेयर करियो ताले आमे तार पॉइंट्स पाइबा जदि आमे दुई जण मिसी कि आम अंडर रे तीन जण करले ताले तार भी आमे बेनिफिट पाई परिबा बेनिफिट पाइबा सहित आम गोटे लेवल गोटे ऊपर अप बढ़ी चलबा सेकंड लास्ट लीडरशिप बोनस आमे जदि ऊपर रही आम अंडर रे ग्रोइंग करिवे हमरो लेग्स ग्रोइंग करिवे ताले लीडरशिप अवार्ड भी आमे पाई पारे प्रथम के रे जदि 3K आमे पॉइंट्स पीवी कले ताले आमे 22,217 टका पाई परिबा तापर सेकंड पीवी रे आपण जदि 5K कले ताले आपण 24,225 टका पाइबे सेकंड एस रे कले आपण 1,60,630 टका पाइबे तापर एपटे ग्रो करी गले आपण बर्तन हायर अमाउंट ऑफ रिटर्न आपण पाई पारे जते पर्यंत आपण बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट कर चलतिबे ओके मैडम
So we'll just go in a little bit deeper dive into how you get paid. When you sign up to become a distributor with doTERRA, you actually have a website where people can purchase as a retail customer. You would earn 25%. Or you can have some product in hand and sell it at retail price for 25% profit. You want to repeat that part?
या मैम रिटेल रे मैम जदि पेड करियो मंथली मिलिबो तले आपण जदि $100 परचेस करियो ରହିଛି ଆପଣ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ 25% ଆପଣ ପାଇପାରିବେ ଆପଣ 1900 ଟଙ୍କା ଆପଣ କମେଇ ପାରିବେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡରେ ଆପଣ ସେୟାରିଂ ବୋନସ୍ ପେଡ୍ ୱିକଲି ଯାହା ସପ୍ତାହ ଭିତରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମିଳିବ ଆପଣ ପାର୍ଟନର ଯଦି ସେଲ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ସେ 25% ଏନରୋଲମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଯଦି ସେଲ୍ କଲେ ଆପଣ ବି 10% ଆପଣ ପାଇପାରିବେ ଯଦି ନ୍ୟୁ ପର୍ସନ ଜଏନ୍ କଲା 25% ରେ ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଉପରୁ ବି ଆପଣ 10% ପାଇବେ କିନ୍ତୁ ପାୱାର ଅଫ୍ 3 ରେ ପ୍ରତି ମାସରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ମିଳିବ ଯାହାକି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ତଳରେ ଆପଣ 3 ଜଣ ରହିବେ ସେ କି 100 ଏବି ର ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ଦେବେ ତାପରେ ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ 3,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପାଇବେ ସେଇ 3 ଜଣଙ୍କ ତଳେ ଆଉ 3 ଜଣ ହେଲେ 37 ଜଣ ରହିଲେ ତାହେଲେ ମାସକୁ ଆପଣ ଲେଭେଲ 3 ହେଲେ ଆପଣ 1500 ମାନ୍ଥଲି ଇନକମ କରିପାରିବେ ୟା ମ୍ୟାମ୍
So did you go through all 3 or did you just do the one?
Yeah, I'm total 1, 2, 3 explain कर दीजिए.
Okay,
I'm telling you both 1, 2, 3. Yeah, ma'am.
perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
And then now the unilevel, do you want to explain that or do you want me to go through it with you?
No, ma'am. That's the end of our recording.
Okay, so as
Yeah.
a unilevel organizational bonus, this is the 4th way you get paid. And this is where the residual income comes into play. So after 60 days of the fast start or the sharing bonus, then the unilevel kicks in. When you are selling at 50 PV, when you have that as your team, you are getting paid 2% on your first level. Manager, you're going to have your whole team volume as 500 PV. You'll be paid at the second level and third level. Director, you have 1,000 PV. Your monthly commitment here again is 100 PV every month, right? That's what that means across the top. And then yourself, your whole team will be 1,000. You become a director. That unlocks the third level at 5%, meaning all the sales that are made on your fifth level, you get 5%. When you have your whole team making 2,000 PV, then that unlocks the the fourth level again at 5%. Elite is the core rank. That means that's the individual with the overall team volume as at 3,000 PV. That unlocks the fifth level at 6%. So as you're building your team, you want to be mindful to build at these levels so that way you get your maximum benefit.
Yeah, ma'am.
When you become premier, your whole volume will be 5,000. Now you're going to have 2 legs that are going to be leaders on those legs, and each of their legs is going to have a volume of 2,000 PV. So if you notice, you go back over here to executive, that's 2,000 PV. So you're going to be looking at leading leaders now. And that is when you start to get into the leadership ranks, where becoming silver, you will have 3 legs, and each of those legs will be at elite. So if you notice here again, elite rank is 3,000 PV. And this is the time when you're unlocking all levels that you get paid when you become silver. And then as you look up the rankings here, gold is 3 leaders at premier. Platinum is 3 at silver. Diamond, 4 at silver. And so if you go through, notice as you're ranking up to the higher levels, you're just repeating and teaching your leaders to become leaders. Go ahead.
ओके एक्चुअली आम जदि आम स्टार्टिंग करिया मंथली 50 पीवी रु ताले आपण गेट लेवल 1 को जॉइन करबे 2%. आफ्टर इट विल बी हायर अप टू 100. आपण को मंथली पीवी 5 हेले आपण टीम रो आपण लेवल 2 3% जॉइन कर परिबे. आपण को टोटल मो टीम रो जदि पीवी होबला 1000 ताले आपण यू गेट लेवल 3. You can get 5% of total team. After getting 200 PV, ଆପଣ ପାଇପାରିବେ level 4 5%. then ଆପଣ elite କୁ join କରିବେ 3000 PV ଆପଣ join କରିବେ ଆପଣ 6% unlock କରିବେ. After 5000 KB you are becoming executive. You can get 6% of total selling. After getting the silver, you have got 2-3 elite person, and then unlock all the levels. You can get 7% of direct income. After gold, total you have got 3 premiums under you, and you get 7% direct sale. After platinum, you can get 3 silvers, you can get also 7%. After diamond, you can get 4 silver, then you can get 7% direct sell. After gold, you will also get 7%. And after platinum 100 presidential diamond, you can get 6 platinum under on you, and you get a whole 7%. After that, empowering bonus of India, you can get 1.2% commission of the total volume of selling doTERRA product in India. There are 2 gold shares and 2 silver 1 share, premier 1 share. Thank you.
And then the 5th way to get paid is a bonus of when you continue becoming at the higher ranks at premier, silver, and gold, you actually earn a share of all of the global sales done with doTERRA. You get 1 share if you enroll somebody. So doTERRA wants to reward you for continuing you growing your business and not relying so much on your downline. Like we want to show as an example. So your downline will continue doing that. And each share you will get, it averages about $250, which is a nice bonus. in Indian rupees is that around 300, or excuse me, 30,000 Indian rupees approximately.
Yeah, man.
Mhm. Okay, here's another example of different network marketing companies. Maybe you've worked for another network marketing company where their unilevel structure is flipped. If you notice, then on ours, we pay 2% at the top level and 7% at the bottom. Most companies do it the other way, where at the top level, they pay 7%. And
And top level get 2%.
that's correct. And so it's
Yeah.
flipped. So with doTERRA, it's probably a little bit harder to get started. Takes a lot more work and effort. The best way is to get started quickly. But when you look at the difference as you continue building your business, the payout is much more, like 1,443,000 compared to 409,000 when you do the math and figure it out, because you have more people that are going to be on your bottom lines. This encourages you to help build your leaders and build your team so that they can actually get deeper levels on your business, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, अलगा कंपनी माने जेमती यूज करचंती जो माने कि ऊपर लेवल रे दे आर गेटिंग से माने कम परसेंटेज पांती जो माने स्टार्टिंग रे था जो माने फ्रंट रे थांती से माने बेसी पांती डुटेरा किंतु उल्टा कर जो माने प्रथम थांती से माने बेसी परसेंट पाइबे अबाउट 7%, जो माने फर्स्ट लाइन अप रे रहबे से माने 3 या 2% पाइबे। এটা হচ্ছে টোটাল রিভার্স ভার্সন অলগা কোম্পানি টু ডুটেরা টোটাল অনএক্সপেক্টেবল অফার এটা ডুটেরা তরফରୁ টু গ্রোইং বিজনেস। ইয়া ম্যাম।
Okay. And what we would like
ওকে।
to talk to you about, the most amazing thing about doing this is the Founders Club. And this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. It will not come back. And doTERRA wants to reward those who become the leaders in the business, the people who work really hard. They want to reward those to get to gold and sustain the rank of gold every month, to become a founder. That would be 40 positions, and 1% of all the commissionable cells made in India will be split up between 40 spots, and actually a bonus given to these 40 positions. This is a lot of money, meaning India is the second largest country in the world. And with United States only being a third of the size of the population, this bonus could be anywhere between $30,000 and $50,000 a year in United States. So it could be 3 times that in India. Who knows? But this is a great opportunity to really work hard and run for this.
डुटेरा गोटे गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी फाउंडर्स मानक ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି एक्चुअली जदी एक्चुअली इंडिया होची पॉपुलेशन सेकंड लार्जेस्ट कंट्री आज एक्चुअली बिजनेस एमिति जदी बढ़ियो ताले गोल्ड ईयर बिजनेस आपण जदी करिवे मासकु प्राय तो 1.5 लाख टंका ई जे आपण इनकम करिवे लॉयल।
Oh, you muted yourself.
It is time to eat now. It is 11 o'clock, 11:05.
Yeah, we're done. We're almost done. Just one more minute. This is the last slide, actually, I think.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So I'm pretty sure we have a duplication process that really will help you grow your business. As long as you work with these pipes, laying these pipes down, these are great tools to be able to help you be very effective in your business.
Yeah, ma'am. There is a we are ame पूर्वरु pipe विषय बुझुतले. Pipe means P for prepare to have to reach the goal. किपरि ame हमर सफलता लक्ष्य बदल हम करबा. Second होची I means invite. ame एई sample अलगा लोक मानको रिमाइंड करबा, शेयर करबा आउ तांको बेनिफिट विषय डेली कहबा. पी रे होची प्रेजेंट. ame किपरि निजको प्रेजेंट करियो अन्य मानको ऊपर. To have ଦ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଯେମିତି ଆମେ ଏଇ ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ ପ୍ରୋଡକ୍ଟ କୁ ସମସ୍ତ ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚି ପାରିବା। ଦେନ୍ ହଉଛି ଏମ୍ପାୟାର, ତ ସେଇ ଲୋକମାନେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଇଚ୍ଛା ପ୍ରକଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର କରିବା, ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର କରି 25% ରେ ରିଟେଲରେ ସେମାନେ ଯେ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ବିକ୍ରି କରିପାରିବେ ତାକୁ ଆମେ ସପୋର୍ଟ କରିବା। ଦେନ୍ ହଉଛି ସପୋର୍ଟ, ଆମେ ଯେହେତୁ ଆମେ ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁଟିଭ ବଡିରେ ଆମେ ରହିବା, ତେଣୁ ଆମେ କିପରି ଆମେ ସେଇ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ଗୁଡିକୁ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚେଇ ପାରିବା, ଯାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା କି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଇନକମ୍ ପାଇ।
Oh, you muted yourself. You muted yourself, Sangram.
Some call is coming.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. So anyway, we have these amazing duplication tools that are really helpful for you to start your business. And we'd love for you to join doTERRA. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to me or Sangram, and be happy to help you get started today.
Okay, ma'am. doTERRA कंपनी आपण जदि कोनोसी प्रश्न थिबो त आपण डायरेक्ट doTERRA रे आपण जोडी हला पर मैडम बेकी मैडम को आपण डायरेक्ट पचारि परिबे कि कोनोसी मन संशय कि संदेह थाए ताले मते भी आपण कॉल करी आपण कॉल करिवे कि मते डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट करले भी म आपण समस्या रे समाधान करि परिबे। धन्यवाद। ओके मैम।
Well, thank you so much for joining us, and I look forward to your questions. And I'm going to go to
Yeah.
stop the recording.